7 sacrifices you need to become rich. Ever wondered why some folks get ahead while others just spin their wheels? It's not all about luck or who you know. It's about the choices you're making or not making. What sacrifices are you willing to make for a shot at the big leagues? It's not about giving up coffee or cutting back on takeout. We're talking big, life-changing decisions. Ever pushed yourself out of your comfort zone? That's where the journey starts. We're keeping it real about what it takes to get rich, and it's more than just hard work. Curious about the trade-offs that could seriously up your game? Stick with us. We're laying down the blueprint to transform your dreams into reality. Ready for the inside scoop? Let's dive in. 1. Stepping out of your cozy corner. You know that feeling when you're about to do something that scares you. That's your comfort zone trying to hold you back. But here's the deal: growth and comfort don't ride the same bus. If you're dreaming of big bucks and a life that's envy-worthy, you've got to be willing to take those leaps. It's not just about taking risks, it's about embracing them. Think of it as an adventure. Every step into the unknown is a step towards your goals. So, are you going to stay wrapped up in the familiar, or are you ready to dive headfirst into what could be the best decision of your life? The magic, my friends, happens when you dare to step beyond the boundaries of comfort. That's where you find the real treasures of life: learning, growing, and eventually, earning. 2. Turning off the noise. Imagine all the hours you spend glued to screens, mindlessly consuming content. Now, imagine if you redirected just a fraction of that time towards your goals. We're talking about a serious game changer here. Cutting out the digital distractions is like clearing the weeds from your path to success. It's not about living like a hermit, but choosing to focus on what moves the needle for you. Whether it's learning a new skill, networking, or just working on your side hustle, every minute counts. So, what's it going to be? More binge watching, or are you ready to make your screen time count towards something epic? 3. Quality time over quantity. This one hits close to home. Cutting back on time with friends and family isn't about forgetting your roots, it's about planting seeds for a future where you can give back even more. It's a delicate balance between nurturing relationships and pursuing your dreams. The goal: to make the moments you do spend together richer and more meaningful. So how prepared are you to prioritize your time now for a wealthier tomorrow? 4. Choosing the road less traveled. Warren Buffett, the investment guru, famously focuses on the few opportunities that truly matter, saying no to almost everything else. This approach is about not settling for the first thing that comes your way, but waiting for the real game changers. It's a lesson in patience and discernment, choosing paths that may seem less traveled but lead to greater destinations. Are you ready to skip the good in search of the great, even if it means walking alone for a while? 5. Book smarts for big dreams. If reading hasn't been your thing, it's time for a change of heart. Books are more than just pages, they're gateways to new worlds of knowledge, inspiration, and empowerment. Even a few pages a day can ignite the spark that fuels your journey to success. Knowledge reduces fear, making those big, scary decisions a little easier to tackle. So, which book will be your first companion on this journey to greatness? 6. Snooze less, dream more. We all love the comfort of our beds, but every minute spent sleeping beyond what's necessary is a minute not spent chasing your dreams. This doesn't mean sacrificing sleep to the point of burnout, it's about finding the perfect balance between rest and hustle. It's a call to prioritize your ambitions over extra hours of sleep, making every day count towards your success. Ready to adjust that alarm clock for your dreams. 7. Smart spending, not splurging. This is all about making your money move in the right directions. The instant gratification of shopping sprees fades quickly, but financial freedom, that's the gift that keeps on giving. It's about investing in what truly adds value to your life and cutting back on the rest. Every dollar saved or wisely spent is a step closer to your goals. Are you prepared to look past the short-term thrills for long-term gains? Outro. Wrapping up, these 7 sacrifices are your stepping stones to wealth. It's all about making those tough choices now to revel in success later. Ready to take the leap? Let's hear which sacrifice you're diving into first, or share your secret strategy. Hit like, share this journey with friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more life-changing tips. Smash that bell icon to never miss out. Your future is waiting, and it's time to chase it. one bold move at a time.